In 2022, the Joan Gans Cooney Center and the Corporation for Public Broadcasting launched the Next Gen Public Media Accelerator program. 12 stations from across the country were chosen to support the piloting, experimentation, and spread of youth-focused initiatives in the public media sector. In Las Vegas and Pittsburgh, student-led crews worked with seasoned professionals to design and produce new inclusive content.
It makes me want to pursue my career of being a journalist.
Hey guys, I'm Lahana and I'm here with Chris.
In New York, direct collaboration between public media and Gen Z content creators led to the production of several short films detailing their personal experiences.
After years of low self-esteem and letting the voice in the back of my head tell me I wasn't good enough or deserving of friends, I had enough. Something had to be done.
In Boston and Connecticut, podcasts, live events, and roundtables gave young people a platform to talk about issues that matter to them.
There's no reason I should have been in so many walkouts for gun violence and stuff like that. So I think the youth is doing their job. They're doing as much as they can.
In Arizona, Indigenous youth celebrated their heritage and identity with a radio show.
This grinding stone has been passed down from my great-great-great-great-grandmothers.
And in Washington, a video series produced with neurodivergent teens and teens with disabilities offered new perspectives on an often underrepresented community.
When I'm having trouble living independently, I can get help from my mom and my caregiver.
In Mississippi and Kentucky, talk shows provided teens and tweens a forum to demonstrate civic learning, leadership, and media literacy skills that allow them to participate in our democracy.
Because we are a small community, but that shows that we can do big things, you know?
In North Carolina and Minnesota, students created documentaries and PSAs surrounding the topics of teen mental health and comprehensive sexual education.
It's better to be educated than afraid.
And in South Carolina, high school sophomores and juniors created a safe, affirmative, and productive space to advance representations of Black girls.
When Black women and girls braid their hair, it is a part of a cultural tradition.
By giving the next generation of content creators a seat at the table, media fluency, and platforms to share their voices, projects that were part of the Accelerator program continue to develop innovative and unique youth-produced public media.
I'm so proud of all of us, and I can't wait to see where the program is going to go.
All that's left now is to see the future and to keep creating content.